We all know those persistent dry coughs that feel there is something in the back of your throat. It is not a funny situation if we always keep hacking. So here are some natural remedies that really work and you can do right then in your home. Dry cough is one we want to stop. It can be caused by allergies, dry cold air, a random tingling in the back of your throat that will not disappear, the consequences of a cold, being in a dusty environment. For these we return to demulcents. Calming ingredients irritates the mucous membranes and eliminates the irritant that triggers the cough. Studies in 2004 found that the main ingredients in cough syrup, dextromethorphan and diphenhydramine, have the same efficacy in the treatment of cough as a placebo component. Instead of resorting to chemical solutions for every minor ailment, try some home remedies instead. Not only are they beneficial for you, but they also try a lot better than most dry cough syrup too. Studies, such as one managed by Penn State College of Medicine, have found that natural remedy honey can fight more efficiently to a dry cough than over-the-counter medications. It is a rich demulcent, with thickness and high viscosity that does an incredible job of coating and soothing irritated mucous membranes. Thanks to enzyme added by bees when they harvest honey, it also has antibacterial properties as well, which can help shorten the time the dry cough has if it is due to a bacterial disease. This is a great natural alternative dry cough remedy for children and adults, but should not be given to children younger than 2 years because of the risk of botulism. You will need 1 tablespoon organic honey. Take 1 tablespoon of honey 1 to 3 times daily as needed to control dry cough. Take immediately before bedtime if the dry cough is disrupting your sleep. For children, you can adjust the dosage to 1 tablespoon to 1 teaspoon. The licorice root is expectorant and demulcent, simultaneously soothing your airways while loosening and reducing mucus, relieving congestion. This natural remedy can also reduce any swelling that can irritate your throat. Its main component, glycyrrhizin, is responsible for most of its effects. This enzyme regulates the access of glucocorticoids, a steroid hormone, to the steroid receptors, ultimately slowing the conversion of cortisol into cortisone. Licorice root tea increases the effect of cortisol and reduces inflammation. If you are on steroids or have any kidney issue with it is best to stay away from licorice root. You will need 2 tablespoons dried licorice root, 8 ounces of fresh water. Bring the water to a heat and place the licorice root in a cup. Cover with water and wait for 10 to 15 minutes. Drink the entire cup up to 2 times daily. Gargle the salt water, also a traditional natural remedy for sore throats and dry cough. Salt water can alleviate the discomfort caused by a dry cough the same way it helps to heal a sore throat through osmosis. When the salt concentration is higher outside the cells of the mucous membranes, the water leaves the cells to balance everything. When the water leaves the cells, the swelling decreases, and the discomfort subsides. If you have a dry cough that happens to come along with the swollen tissue, this is a good route to take. It can also help to dislodge any phlegm that is hanging out and allow you to eject it quickly. You will need 1 teaspoon salt, 8 ounces warm water. Mix the salt in water until completely dissolved. Gargle for 15 seconds, spit and repeat with remaining water. Rinse with running water afterward.